Hi, I'm Dr. Ellie, and in this video we're going to talk about how grocery store products that I recommend are very specific and little changes make a big difference, and why you want to be very careful when you go shopping. Just want to explain how difficult it is to find the right products. I try to put it up on my website. There are links on my website if you want to look at the pictures. We're trying to keep them updated. But these companies that I'm recommending you buy the products are constantly changing. They're bringing in new formulations. Some of the colors look identical. You really have to be a knowledgeable shopper if you are going to go out and get these exact products for yourself and do my complete mouth care system accurately. There are products that look so alike. They've just changed the toothpaste so that the Pro Health looks the same, but if you turn over the package, you'll see entirely different formulation, different kind of fluoride. And the problem is, if you are somebody who's getting staining, it can be the fact that you're using stannous fluoride that is staining your teeth. Sodium fluoride is the kind of fluoride I recommend. And I realize these are details. This is why we make a kit for people to go and buy so that they can match the next products that they buy in the store and make sure they are exact. I think one of the biggest problems we have is that people think all mouthwash works the same. People think all toothpaste works the same, that it doesn't really matter what you buy. I'm here to say that if you want to have success using my complete mouth care system, there is only one formulation to get. And today, with the new packaging, some of this is very hard to do. So I'm going to try and make it as clear as I can, which ones you should get and which ones to be careful about, but there may still be more new formulations coming into the marketplace to confuse us. So when you're looking for toothpaste, you want to look for sodium fluoride, not stannous. When you're buying Closis, you want the ultra-sensitive. You do not want healthy gums. It is a completely different formulation that is going to stain your teeth. If you're buying the bigger bottle of Act, be very careful. In some countries, it is the same product. In America, the bigger bottles are 0.02% fluoride, which is half as strong as the 0.05, which is the one I recommend. So you want to look for 0.05% sodium fluoride. That 0.03 is a very big difference to the outcome for your teeth. So when it comes to Listerine, the ones I recommend are the original and the Cool Mint. Now, if you're looking for Cool Mint, it's blue. Be very careful that you do not pick up instead the Ultra Clean, because the Ultra Clean contains zinc, and zinc can easily make your teeth feel really, really sensitive. So you may want to save this video for the next time you're in the grocery store picking up your oral care products.